Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr at Kerr Financial Group, and today is Friday, May 24, 2024, going into the Memorial Day weekend and the start of summer. So, two things today to talk about: Nvidia and their earnings release, and the stock reaction, and the weakness in the U.S. stock market yesterday. Nvidia strong earnings and results on Wednesday after the close. Stocks up 12% at its peak yesterday, closed up 9%. And an interesting statistic that the valuation, total valuation of Nvidia stock right now is greater than the German stock market. And just keep in mind, Germany is the third largest economy in the world, and Nvidia's valuation is greater than the overall German market. And also, this no debate. I don't think that this Nvidia is an overvalued stock, but that doesn't mean it can't keep going higher. The algorithms and computerized trading don't necessarily consider valuation that strongly. So, this thing could keep going. I had some conversations yesterday with some people concerning NVIDIA. And, I know these people well. We talked about, whether to take a position. My recommendation was, buy it on Thursday, with it being up, 10% from the prior day. But we kind of looked at it, what we considered a range of where the stock could trade, and considered that we'll look for an opportunity to come back to it if the stock, comes off a little bit. And even from there, maybe you leg into it, into a position with two or three trades. And also, I think you need to keep an active mindset for this, because, using stop loss orders or some sort of, levels that you may want to sell out of it, because if the market, and it's a big if the market corrects a little bit, I don't think Nvidia is going to buck that trend strongly. So again, if someone needs more information or some ideas, I'm happy to do that, but I'd like to know more about what your particular situation and risk tolerances are and your approaches. Going on to the Dow, yesterday the market sold off hard. The Dow had its worst day of the year. Every Dow component, there's 30 components in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Everyone but Merck was down. Merck was unchanged. So a very weak day for the Dow. Part of it, is the interest rates have been creeping back up. There's some Fed speakers talking about, I guess with a hawkish tone. I didn't see the details. I saw some references to some hawkish comments by the Fed. The PMI was stronger. Purchasing Managers Index, that was stronger. So, it all brings together interest rates going up. And also now it looks like there's only pricing in one cut, perhaps in September. So interest rates moving up, kind of a headwind to the stock market. Stock market sold off hard yesterday. Even the S&P and the Nasdaq were down. I mean, the Nvidia is not in the Dow, so they had no impact there. I mean, within the Dow, Boeing was down 7.5%, Intel down 4%, McDonald's down 3%, Apple down 2%. So some big components in the Dow that were just very weak and dragged it down. Also, there's a negative dealer gamma, which is an option positioning for the dealers, and that did accelerate the sell-off as well. So that's it for today. Have a good weekend. Enjoy Memorial Day, and remember those who fought for our freedoms and gave the ultimate sacrifice. Again, thank you for listening. Goodbye.